Congratulations on your brand new DTV shredder. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to unbox your shredder and get it ready to ride. To begin, start by lifting the box off the frame, revealing your shredder underneath. Go ahead and place the box containing the battery charger and the manuals somewhere where you can find them later. Be sure to read the manuals because, everyone does that. After that, you want to unscrew all 6 screws located at the bottom of the frame, and then lift the frame off, revealing your DTV shredder. To finish unboxing, cut off all zip ties located around the handlebar, and as well as the ones holding the vehicle down just under the mud flaps. After this, you can freely move the handlebar by engaging the handle lock lever and lifting it to the upright position. You will find 2 QR codes on the handlebar that will take you to the online manuals and the official app. Just like everything else, your shredder has an app. Now would be a great time to unbox the 5 amp battery charger that you saved from before. You saved it, didn't you? You want to charge each of the 4 batteries individually when you use the vehicle for the first time. When the light is orange or red, it means the battery is charging. When it's green, they're fully charged and ready to shred. In the future, after your first charge, you can charge your shredder by plugging in the 5 amp battery charger into the charging port at the back of the vehicle. Once all 4 batteries are charged, you can place them into the vehicle. But don't worry, it's a super simple process. Just simply slip each battery into its appropriate frame, connect the wires that meet in the middle, screw the wire cover back on, and repeat. Along with the box with the battery and the manuals is also a coolant funnel. Fill up the vehicle with coolant to where there's about an inch of space left on top of the tank. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Time to power on the DTV. Press that power button. Once the vehicle has been circulating coolant while it's powered on, turn off the vehicle and fill up the rest of the coolant. Adding too much or too little coolant can lead to issues. If any occur, refer back to the manuals or feel free to contact the DTV Customer Support team. You can find their info on the website. Turn the vehicle back on and now your shredder is officially ready to shred.